not a morning person. But we up, so here we go. Back to us. Back to us. Oh, we're running behind. We're running behind. Come on, let's get it together. Boom, we're back in business. We're slightly back on time schedule too. Yeah. Look who's awake. Good morning, folks.
Good morning.
Great, big brother. Thank you. Shani, you eat some food this morning? Shani looking like... Yes, it's time for milk. We'll have milk when we get there, okay? Okay. Okay. Look at my handsome boys. Let me get some pictures. Let me get some pictures.
Yeah, tired.
This morning.
Today.
Evan doesn't live over here anymore, honey. He moved, remember? He moved.
I missed him, but...
And we are still out before schedule. Look, y'all, you better look at God. My attire changed a bit for today, but like I said, I should have been up at 5 o'clock. Ooh, my alarm went off twice. Child. Y'all saw me. I am not a morning person, so I got to work on it at 5:30. But I did manage to get up at 6, thanks to the backup alarm and hubby. So, what'd you say, babe? Donnie's like me. He's like, yo, I want to sleep. But once he's up, he's fine. That one, on the other hand, big brother. Oh, Sis J. Sis J be like, if you don't leave me alone, I'm trying to sleep.
You faster.
Oh. And then Mr. Shantishan back there.
Go slow.
I'm going pretty slow-ish.
No, but you're fast.
No,
You're fast.
but I'm not going that fast. You just see the other cars. And that car is still faster than me. Mr. Shantishan, Mr. Sweetface. Hey, as long as he wake up and got his mama, the world is a good place. We're having a little bit of a moment this morning. Will your backpack help you feel better?
No.
Okay. With the rest of mommy's orange juice? We have a little orange juice. Let's calm down. Let's calm down, okay? Let's calm down a little bit. All right. He was very excited at Big Brother school and wanted to stay at Big Brother school, but yeah, not so excited this morning. Well, not excited when we got here. He was great when we woke up. He was, great at the Big Brother school, and when we left Big Brother school, he was like, Mom, I'll go home. He was like, I don't go home. It's like, no, it's school time, baby. Drink mommy's orange juice and calm down, okay? We're gonna try to make this happen this morning. All right. Let's go. Let's take it slow, okay? And mommy will stay a little bit, okay? Okay, hold on.
What's happening? Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Sitting here, ooh. So we're just watching some Bubble Guppy, eating some soup, taking a break from our day. You just silly. You want that camera? Oh, here. Get your noodle off the table. There you go. Hey, I kind of need my spoon. Yum, yum, yummy, yummy. Did you enjoy your day at school today?
And we went outside.
Okay.
Now we had to get inside because I was sweaty.
Everybody would have to come inside, or just you?
Everybody.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, it's hot outside. You're supposed to sweat when you go outside. For the most, when you're going outside to play, you're supposed to sweat. Okay. Did you eat all your lunch?
Yes, I ate all of it.
Everything?
Yes, my apple, my sandwich, my juice, everything. I ate everything.
You ate your cheese too?
Yes.
Man, that sounds like it was a real good lunch. Were you hungry?
No, I have this and this.
No, I said, were you hungry? Is that why you ate all your lunch? Because you were hungry?
Mhm.
That's what's up, babe. That's what's up.
Can I go in again?
Hmm?
Can I go in again?
To get down in?
Huh?
You said, can we go in?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, can I go in by myself?
Today? No, you can't go pick up Donnie by yourself. You're too young. They're gonna be like, oh, where's your parent? Where's your adult?
I'll say she's in the car, but I'm gonna get him.
They're gonna say, we can't release him to you alone, young man. He swear he grown. I told y'all the boy swear he grown. Mommy's a little tired. The schedule's catching me off guard.
After we pick Donnie up, so we can go home and you can go to sleep. Now, like that.
You're so sweet, honey. But Mommy will not be able to go to sleep because I've got to get the kitchen finished, and then you have practice. So, you know what? That doesn't sound like a terrible idea, though. If Sean stays asleep, then Mommy gonna doze off and take a nap for sure.
Well, if I'm at practice and Daddy's there and he can make dinner.
But Daddy won't be home until later. I've already cooked dinner, baby. Dinner's already ready. He like over there, don't he? Cause he be at home. Hi. He did good today. Good.
Just a little bit. But I just say when you wake up, you're going to eat snack and you're going to go home. He said, okay. So he do real good.
That's good. You have fun in school today. You gonna come back tomorrow? All right. Get your backpack.
Bye.
You say bye-bye? So I'm gonna pack up dinner because they don't get out of practice till like 8:15. So I'm gonna pack up dinner and eat it on the road on the way home. So when they get home, can shower, get in the bed. The baby I'll probably feed. The baby I will probably feed while we're there, because he's gonna be hungry and ready to go to bed. Huh? Yeah. What up? Copyright. All the music you hear in the background, it ain't none of ours. Yes, we're going straight to practice. Yes, Sean to Sean. Now, hustle and bustle, run into football practice. Run into practice. Be out there in this heat for a little while. Little ones. Yeah. But to save that almighty dollar, dinner's already packed up in the back. Dinner that I cooked early today is already packed up in our cooler right here. And we're just gonna eat it on the way home. I warmed it up before we left. It's warm outside, so it should stay warm. You know, throughout being sitting in the car for a couple hours.
Mama, you fast.
We'll be good. What?
Don't go fast, Mama.
Oh, okay. Don't go fast. Did your daddy tell you to tell me that?
No.
No? You just want to tell me?
No.
Okay, baby. Oh my goodness.
Fast. But Daddy's go fast.
Daddy goes fast too?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But you don't go fast.
Mommy don't go fast. Nope, nope. It's a commercial. You want the commercial to turn up?
Don't turn it up.
Why? Y'all hear that I'm running out of juice, right? Mama's running a little low on juice this morning. I mean, see, look, I'm talking crazy this evening. Child. But we gonna get through this. It's only day 2. Only day 2, that's all. Come on. Just day 2.